Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I made my natural dye journal. My name is Laura and welcome to CasaCaribe. In the first page we're going to write how we treat the fabric. I treat the fabric with a mordant solution, potassium alum, and also with soy milk. So we're going to write everything here so we remember. Then I'm going to make this chart so I have all my natural dye in the same place. So I'm going to put the number that I give it, the natural dye, the quantity, the proportion that I use, if I use a modifier, the quantity, and then the sample. Then I'm going to search on my messy box of fabric all the fabric that I dyed with avocado stones. And then I create a page for the avocado. So we're going to start writing the common name and then the Latin name. The dye stuff that we use, so in this case it's avocado stones. The origin from Colombia and Peru, but I bought it in Lidl supermarket. And the dye instructions. If you don't know how to dye using avocado stones, don't worry, because on my website I have an ebook in which I explain step by step how to dye using avocado stones. I'm going to leave the link on the description down below. Then I normally draw the plant that I'm using like they used to do on the botanical journal. If you don't feel comfortable drawing, you can also use a picture. And then the most important part, the samples. I like to cut my samples in a square so all of them have the same size. Then I iron them so they are more tidy. I separate all my samples with the one treated with potassium alum and the one treated with soy milk. It's important to keep a natural dye journal, especially if you want to replicate a result. In the last couple months, I've been filming a lot of YouTube videos in which I dye with different dye stuffs, with avocado stones, with onion skins, and other. So I had this box full of samples and they were all mixed. And of course, I couldn't remember if they are treated with potassium alum or with soy milk. When you do a natural dye journal, you keep everything in the same place and it's all labeled for future consultations. But I also see it as a way to slow down. And to appreciate all the color that nature has to offer. I'm almost finished. All I have to do is take a little bit of the dyeing and then I paint with it. This is to remember the real color of the dyeing. So now I have all my samples for the avocado stone in the same place. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to help me grow my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.